Good evening, friends. Thank you for coming and sharing this space to explore something that is very important, or I think is very important in the spiritual life, which is meditation. This talk is in the context of a retreat that we are organizing. The retreat is going to begin tomorrow in the evening, 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. and it will go through all Saturday and Sunday morning. You have some brochures there on the table and you can see the different activities. Different people will be in charge of different talks and meditations. John is going to lead one meditation, and other people, as you are going to see there, we will work on 4 or 5 different techniques. You can attend the whole retreat, or you can attend just to one session or 2 or whatever you can. You can stay here, or you can commute and come from home. You can eat here or not. So there are different options for you. Please look at the brochure and see if you want to participate. So tonight I wanted to talk about meditation at the conceptual level, because we are going to practice several techniques during the weekend. But before we start doing something, we need to have certain understanding. You know, if we start running, we will get somewhere, but not necessarily where we want to go. So before start running, we need to know where we want to go. And sometimes we tend to think that what is important is to do something. So people come and say, what technique can I practice? What technique of meditation can I practice? And maybe before asking what technique, we should make sure that we know what the foundations of meditation is, what we are attempting to do, and then we can choose a technique with more understanding. Because the word meditation, fortunately, is quite well known today. That was not so 50 years ago, for example. But it has become a word that embraces a whole lot of different techniques with different aims, just like the word sports. You know, we have all kinds of sports. Some of them are based on a strong physical activity. Some of them are more mental. So meditation is like a general word today. And it is important to see what we are looking for when we say that we want to meditate. And then we can decide how to tread this path. So, what is meditation? What is the goal of meditation? When a person says, I would like to meditate, what is the person looking for? Or in our case, what are we looking for when we want to meditate? Probably the most well-known effect of meditation is at the physical level. We hear that meditation is good to release stress, to be healthier, and certainly meditation does that. I don't think it is a miracle activity that you will never get sick if you meditate, because there are many monks that spend their whole lives meditating and they get sick, as many people in the world. So there are some movements or people saying if you meditate, you will have an invincible health, or you will never get sick. I think that's more a marketing approach to sell a product. But of course, meditation does help in being healthy, because it is a time where our body has the possibility of releasing causes of stress. Now, meditation can also be a way to generate pleasant feelings, harmony, peace, love. And that's very good also, because we live in a society where many times we are with a lot of pressure that makes us be irritable, or that makes us feel anger or distress. So to have a time to generate a state of harmony is very important also. And that has its own benefit to the person. Then there are other techniques that promise to develop some powers in the person, some psychic powers. You will be able to see auras, or to hear sounds that nobody else can hear, or to raise Kundalini. Whether those things are helpful or not will depend a lot on the person. We are going to explore all this. This is just an overview of the different techniques that we can find there, and the different aims that these techniques are proposing. And then we have meditations that are to produce concentration, a mind that is able to concentrate, to develop more mental activity, or meditations to get or to gain enlightenment, wisdom. So you see that there is a whole range of aims that are advertised under the name of meditation. So what are you in particular looking for when you are trying to begin with the practice of meditation? This is something very important that we should try to be clear about. Because if we start, for example, playing soccer, thinking that we are playing tennis, then we go to a soccer field and we go, with a little ball, and we say, where is the net? And there is something wrong here. And we keep trying to play tennis in a soccer field, and it's not going to be something that is rewarding, because we are not doing something that will produce the aim that we are looking for. So again, with meditation, we may be looking for something that meditation is not going to be able to give us. I've seen, or I saw a couple of weeks ago a book written by a Buddhist monk that is called something like Not for Happiness. And he said the spiritual life, the practice of the spiritual life, is not to make you happy. If you go to the spiritual life to be happier, then you will be frustrated. Not that you cannot be happier by living the spiritual life. That may happen. But if you go to the spiritual life in order to find happiness, you will see that the spiritual life requires earnestness, discipline, energy. So if you go to the spiritual life thinking that you are going to get pleasure, you are going to fail, because the spiritual life requires a lot from us. Just like anything else. If you want to play piano and somebody comes and tells you, I can teach you in 10 lessons, you can play like Beethoven. He is fooling you. So you will go, and after 10 lessons, you are not going to be able to play the piano. And then you either think that you are not good at playing the piano, or that there is no such a thing as playing the piano. So with meditation, the same. Some people say, oh, just do this very little simple thing, and you will get, all the love you want, or happiness, or this or that. And when it fails, then you think, oh, I'm not good at meditating, or meditation is not real. So all these things we need to be aware of these things, because today meditation has also become a commercial enterprise for many people. So they are trying to sell, basically. And we don't need to be naive, and we need to be intelligent, because there are so many offerings out there that we need to be discerning. So what we try to do in the TS is not to say this is the best technique, you have to follow this technique in particular. We try to give people some tools, some principles, by which they can judge their approach to meditation, the different techniques, how they are doing and why they are doing something. So this is more or less what I want to do tonight, to see if I can share with you some foundations, some principles, so that you are in control of your practice and not that the technique is in control of yourself. The Dalai Lama said once that you master a technique when you know when you have to break it, when you have to abandon it. Then you master the technique. Otherwise, the technique is mastering you. If you just follow a technique mechanically, if you don't know what, or if you are not aware of what you need while performing the technique. So, along with this is the question of what is the meditative experience? If you hear people, you will have all kinds of answers. Some people will say, oh, I see lights, I hear bells, I feel that my mind is expanding. Or some people, I feel that I'm just sitting, and some other people feel peace. Or there are all kinds of experiences. Are they important? Are some experiences spiritual and some others not necessarily so? What do we look for when we are meditating at the level of experience? Because if you think, okay, meditation is successful if I start seeing lights, you will start practicing a technique that may be very good on the spiritual level, but just because you are not seeing lights, you think, oh, this is not working, and you abandon the technique. And maybe seeing lights is not the aim of of meditation, or is not even a sign that you are doing a good meditation. Just to say something, whatever experience is there. So it is important, again, to see what is the meditative experience in essence, and try to sort out all these different manifestations. So, for example, a person sits down in a corner in his or her room, closes his eyes and starts doing a technique, and suddenly this person sees things or hears things. And of course, he will assume that this is something spiritual. It's not physical. I know the light is there, but if I'm with my eyes closed and I start seeing something, then this is a spiritual manifestation. Now, this is a simplistic approach because we think that whatever is not physical, therefore is spiritual. In the theosophical view, there are several dimensions to human beings and the universe. It's not that there is only the physical and the spiritual. In theosophy, there is a pretty detailed classification of different aspects, but we are going to go through only 3 of them to talk in a more general way, which will be useful for our purposes. But we have, let me write down this so you can have a picture in your mind. We all know the physical world. So at the level of the physical world, we have our bodies and the sensations that are in our bodies. And there are some meditations that work basically at the physical level. For example, at the physical level, we have the stress, for example, that our body may feel with this hectic life that most of us live. At the physical level, there is what we call health. Also, at the physical level, we may feel, that we are tired. All these are physical manifestations. So if you sit down and do a technique of meditation, this may help at the physical level to, as I said, to rest, to generate some health, to release stress, and that is something very good. Now, if you are looking for that only, maybe you are just limiting your practice of meditation to a very small part of yourself, because we are much more than that. There is in us what we could call a psychic dimension. By psychic, I mean psychological. Our mind, our emotions are all part of this psychic dimension. We have a body and we have a mind, emotions, which these mind and emotions would be part of our psychic dimension. So at this psychic, we could, let us divide. We have an emotional aspect in our psychic dimension and a mental aspect. So we know in the realm of emotions, we may have, love or hate. Then we may have, disharmony or harmony, peace or anger. All these are emotional manifestations. There are some techniques of meditation that help us generate in us a state of love or harmony or peace. And again, they are very good. They help us harmonize our emotional nature. They may produce in us a state of confidence and emotional energy. Now again, we may turn, if our only aim in meditation is to generate a pleasant feeling, then we are limiting the potential of meditation. For example, if I go to meditation just to feel well, that meditation is not necessarily too different from listening to music to feel well, or being with a person that I love, or different activities that make us feel well. Just because you sit down and you do some technique to feel better doesn't mean that it's necessarily more spiritual than other techniques. And it can be also a form of, one more form of self-centeredness. We eat things that we shouldn't, because that produces pleasure. And maybe the same activity is driving us to meditate. We just want to have a pleasant sensation. So we are following the same pattern. By this, I don't mean that meditation shouldn't produce these states. It can produce them, and it can be a good meditation. But see that what I'm trying to point out to is why you are meditating. There is Samdong Rinpoche, who is a very close, he's a Tibetan monk. He's very close to the Dalai Lama. He was the first prime minister of the government of Tibet in exile. And he's a member of the Theosophical Society also. And he always used to say, if you want to have mental peace, or at a superficial level, or you want to release stress, or just take a pill. Don't try to meditate. Meditation is so hard that if that is your little aim, don't try meditation. I think he was talking this way just to make the point. Meditation always is good. But the approach that we are trying to take now is what meditation really is from a deeper point of view. So let us explore it. Then we have a mental dimension in ourselves. And mental activities, well, as we know, are thinking, will, the willpower, the mental willpower, memory, etc. So there are some techniques that work at this level. They enhance our memory, our power of concentration, our power of reasoning. There are different techniques, and the techniques that tend to create an emotional feeling are usually different from the techniques that tend to enhance the mental activities. So we can practice these techniques, but again, we can be limited if all we are doing, I want to improve the power of concentration. Some companies are promoting this meditation among their employees, not with a spiritual purpose, just they are doing it so that they can be more productive. So again, this may bring some benefit to the employees, but the thing is that you get what you are looking for. In the spiritual realm, intention is very strong. You know, on the physical, I always say this example, so if, pardon me if you already heard it, but on the physical plane, what generates results are actions. You know, I'm baking a cake. It doesn't matter if I'm angry or if I'm full of love. If I follow the recipe, there will be a cake there. Now, on the spiritual realm, what produces results are motivations. If I sit down to meditate and follow a technique with a selfish motivation, that very motivation will set a limit to what may happen in my consciousness. If I follow the same technique, but with an unselfish motivation or a spiritual motivation, that will open up the possibility of a raising of consciousness. Why? Because, for example, ambition. We can meditate out of ambition. I want to be more. I want to look wiser, or to be more spiritual, or better than other people. That is an activity that has place at the level of the mind. So if we are doing a technique motivated by ambition, we are at this level. We are working at the level of the mind. So we cannot go beyond that, because that is the ambition itself manifests at that level. So the idea in the theosophical approach is that beyond the physical and the psychic nature of ourselves, there is a spiritual nature. We are usually aware of ourselves on these levels. We are aware of our thoughts, our mind, we are aware of our emotions, we are aware of our bodies. We are not so aware of our spiritual nature. We may study about it, we may get glimpses of it, but for the most part, most people are aware on the physical and psychic level. So in the theosophical approach, the aim of meditation is to become aware of our spiritual nature. So we are trying to perform a technique, whatever technique it is, in a way that may help us be aware of our spiritual nature. Of course, that technique may produce some health or some health benefits, may produce a state of harmony, may develop in our mind certain abilities, but those are sub-products of what we want to do. What we want to do is to become aware of our spiritual nature. So we are not focused on these results, and therefore we can go beyond that. Usually, between the psychic and the spiritual, in many traditions, let us take the Christian tradition, for example, that is more, we are more familiar with it as a culture. There is like a barrier between the psychic and the spiritual. And that barrier is silence, or what some Christian mystics used to call divine darkness. What does it mean? It means that, for example, in the mystic work, The Cloud of Unknowing, which is a Christian mystic treatise, the author, we don't know who wrote it, but the author says you have to plunge yourself in the silence and in this divine darkness and stay there until the light of the Spirit shines on you. Because if you work at the level of thinking or feeling or doing, you are still working on these two realms. What, of course, thinking, doing, feeling, may help the meditation to certain, or during a part of the process, as we are going to see later. But essentially, what he says, we need to get to this state of silence, of non-perception, and dwell there until we begin to be aware of our spiritual nature. So, for example, another mystic, Christian mystic, John Toller, used to say, if you are speaking, God will remain silent. If you keep silent, then God will speak. So if we can dwell in this state of silence, in our awareness, in our consciousness, then the spiritual has room to shine on our consciousness, so to say. So whatever technique you follow, if this technique is followed in a way or with the aim of awakening to the spiritual nature in us, has to lead us to this state of silence, this state of divine darkness, in the sense that there are no perceptions. Now, there is something important here. We are not talking about a state of trance. No, the state of trance is a state where the person falls unconscious, is meditating and falls unconscious and wakes up or comes out of this state of trance an hour later or 10 minutes later or whatever time, and he or she doesn't know what was going on. It's just like if the person had fallen asleep, but the person wasn't asleep. Maybe it has a vague remembrance of a wonderful feeling, but there is no awareness of what happened. The idea is that in the theosophical approach, which is also similar to the approach of many traditions, they say this is not really useful because we need to go through this barrier in full awareness. If you lose awareness, then you are not really creating a bridge between the psychic and the spiritual. When we meditate and we begin to build this bridge, then the spiritual is always available during our daily life. Because that is the essential, in all of us is the spiritual nature. It's not that we don't have a spiritual nature. The problem is that, to put it in some way, this is just an image, but the problem is that we have not built a connection to that. So what we need to do is not to develop something spiritual in us. That is there. It's our innate nature. We need to develop a connection to that. And meditation is one of the ways by which we create this connection with the pure mind in us, or with the wisdom. If we want to describe some of the qualities of this spiritual nature, it has been described as, for example, wisdom, which is not knowledge. Wisdom is to perceive things as they are, and therefore to do the right thing, because we perceive how things are. We perceive what is the right action, and we just do it. Or love, the real love, the love that is pure, like in the Bible when St. Paul describes that kind of love, completely impersonal, in the sense that the person that loves is not asking anything for himself or herself. So the spiritual love has that ability, and we see the spiritual love expressed in people like Jesus or the Buddha or Krishna or many other spiritual teachers. Compassion, which is born from that love. Wisdom, love, compassion, a real peace, which is not disturbed by the environment. We all can be very peaceful in the corner of our room, thinking of nice things, but then when we deal with people who are difficult, we lose that peace. So the idea is that as we awaken our spiritual nature, there is a peace that is there regardless of what is going on in the environment. Or, well, these are more or less different. You know, they also talk about bliss. Again, I don't always like that, because many times is mistaken with a state of pleasure that we can easily generate in our emotional nature. This state of bliss is something that is much subtler and not merely an emotion. So this is basically the approach, and I'm going to talk about the different stages, how we can approach this. But this is basically how in the theosophical view we regard meditation. We try to regard it as a way to reach our spiritual nature, and not as merely as a way to produce physical, emotional, or mental benefits. So before I go to the last point, where I will explain very briefly the different stages of meditation, is there any comment or question that you have about what I said? Briefly, at the end we will do something longer, but just I don't want to go on if there is something that is not clear. Okay, so if you remember something at the end, we will discuss it. So how do we get to this? What is the progression in our state of consciousness so that we can reach the spiritual aspect of our nature? In theosophy, there is a description of the different stages, which is similar to the one that is in some other traditions, especially in the Raja Yoga of Patanjali. Patanjali was a Hindu sage, and Raja Yoga is part of the schools of Hinduism, and the theosophical approach has similarities to that. The idea is that there are 3 stages. The first one is a stage of concentration. The second one is a state of meditation. And the last one is a state of contemplation. These words are used in different traditions in different ways. None of these words are exclusive of a tradition. So you have to see how each tradition or what they mean by these words. For example, sometimes the last step is called concentration in some traditions. So it doesn't matter the name, just let us see what they mean. So the first stage of concentration implies a stage where we try to focus our mind. Because our mind has an enormous amount of energy. And because of all that energy, usually our mind is restless. It's just like in the kids. The kids have so much energy that they are constantly jumping around and running. And when we grow older, we don't have so much energy, so we can stay quieter for a longer time. Well, our mind has so much energy that is constantly restless. Now, because it is restless and it is diverging in so many directions, many times we have a difficulty of accomplishing things because we cannot focus all those energies on a single aim. Just like a river, if you have a very wide river, it will go very smooth and slow, but as soon as you make it narrower, then the river will gain a lot of strength. So meditation is like that. It's focusing your mind, focusing your consciousness, the mental consciousness that is there, so that you can pierce through these different levels. So the first stage is one where we try to, it may be perceived more or less as a fight, because you will see, especially at the beginning of the practice, you will see that you want to focus on something and your mind will go off. And then you have to bring the mind back and the mind will go off again. And as you practice this, you will develop the ability to stay focused without having to fight against the mind. But this is something that you gain it by practicing it. So if you are not aware of this, you will sit down to meditate, you will see that your mind is restless, that you cannot focus it, and then you will think, I'm not good at meditating. No, I'm not a meditating person, which many people say that. No, you are not, none of us are, if that is the parameter that you are using. Because all our minds are restless. No person sits down and say, oh, wonderful, my mind is so peaceful. No, all of us have to really work on this. So if you are beginning your practice, that will happen to you. Because that is the human nature, it's not different. So the first stages in meditation are basically confined to working at the level of concentration. And that produces a lot of benefits. But it's just like if you are, again, learning piano, when you sit down, you start learning how to, play the piano, but not a whole piece. You just play the same note or one after the other. That is not really playing the piano, but you have to do it before you can play a piece of music. So the stages of concentration may not be very pleasant, but they are part of what we have to do. So if we take this as an exploring our consciousness, exploring what meditation is, what our mind is, then we can find it really interesting. And there are different techniques that we can use so that the practice of concentration produces a growth in self-knowledge. And we are going to see something during the weekend. Then once the mind is concentrating, you go to the next stage, which is a stage of meditation, in the sense that now you are applying the powers of your mind to a particular technique. Some techniques you visualize something, so you are applying your imagination to visualize a deity, something sacred, or whatever it is. Some meditations are based on trying to understand a problem of life, or a universal law, or something that is meaningful in life. So in these meditations you use a power of reasoning which is not usually available to us, because this reasoning is based on a very concentrated mind. And when our mind is concentrated and calm, we are in touch with a higher understanding. Our mind is very conditioned by our environment, our education, our way of being. But in meditation, we go to a deeper state of mind that is not so conditioned. So we can understand things in a deeper way. Or there are techniques where you simply are aware of what is going on there. So whatever it is, the stage of meditation begins when you are not fighting anymore with distractions, when your mind is focused, and it's something that happens naturally. You don't need to think, am I in concentration or in meditation? This is just for you to have an idea. It's not that one is a progression of the other. Now, this doesn't stop here, because remember that we said we need to go beyond our minds, beyond our emotions, into this state of silence. So once you are in the stage of meditation, you will see that at certain point, there is nothing else you can do. You got to the utmost power of concentration that you have at the moment, visualizing something, for example. Or you got to the end of your reasoning process, or whatever you are doing. So when you get to the highest point, you have to drop the process that you are using, because we have to go beyond that. In Buddhism, there is this example that if you want to cross a river, you may use a boat. That boat is a process of meditation. Now, once you get to the other shore, you leave the boat behind. You don't carry the boat, with you while you are walking on the land. So once we get to this very aware and very awake awakened and very concentrated state of mind, we abandon all process of thinking, visualizing, or whatever we are doing. And we stay in that state of mind in silence, receptive to a higher perception. That is the stage of contemplation. When we wait in this very highly awakened state of mind, in silence, for something higher to come. So to put it, I'm putting it in a more Christian way, the grace of God, they will say. And they say the way of the grace of God because it is not something that you produce. It is something that comes, in Theosophy we say it comes from your real nature. It's not that comes from outside. But your experience, it is you the one that is concentrating. It is you as the mental person that is meditating. But in the state of contemplation, you stop doing. And it is something that comes from above, as I said, from outside yourself, it looks like. And it's not something that you produce. So these are the three stages that we should try to go through in our practice. If we try to do that, then in that approach, you are heading towards this getting in touch with the spiritual nature and not getting stuck on anything. Because, for example, during your meditation, you may see lights. Some people do, some others don't. It doesn't matter. The scene of lights, we were saying there is in us a physical nature, and we know that our physical body has senses. We can, the sense of sight, hearing, smelling. These are all physical senses. We say in meditation we have to close our senses, in the sense that if we are smelling coffee and we start thinking of the coffee, then we are not meditating. So we say, don't let your physical senses distract you. Then on the psychic nature, there are also senses there. There is a sense of sight, there is a sense of hearing, smelling, etc. The psychic nature is an extension of the physical nature. So instead of seeing people, you may see devas, as they call them in India, or you may see auras, or you may see things that we cannot see through the physical senses. Now, that is not something that is necessarily spiritual. It's just an extension of your senses. You may hear bells, or hear this or that, or you may see lights, or you may smell roses. All these things happen to some people, but they all belong to the psychic nature. They don't belong to the spiritual nature that we were talking about. So, in the same way that you don't have to be distracted by physical sensations, you don't have to be distracted by psychic sensations. In this approach, there are some meditations which are all about developing the psychic senses. The Theosophical approach doesn't encourage these kind of meditations, because in this approach, as I said, the psychic senses are not spiritual. They are just an extension of our senses. What is spiritual, if you can see the auras of people around, that doesn't make you be more peaceful or more able to stand in a rough environment without reacting. Or that doesn't give you, it's just seeing a little more. A scientist sees much more than we see with a microscope, and that doesn't make him a spiritual person. So the idea is that the psychic senses doesn't necessarily make you a spiritual person. If you are a spiritual person, then you will use your senses, whether physical or psychic, to help humanity. You know, what are we doing with our body, our physical abilities? Are we spending all our intelligence, skills, etc., to exploit others, to gather more money for ourselves, to, you know, in a self-centered way? If we are doing that, we will do the same with the psychic senses. Now, if we are using part of our skills, part of our intelligence, etc., to help others also, then if we have some psychic abilities, we will use those psychic abilities also to help people. But that depends on your maturity, not on the possession of the psychic abilities. So what we in Theosophy usually we say is, don't worry about this. Develop the spiritual. The psychic may come or not. That depends on the constitution of the person. But if you sit down and you don't see any light or you don't hear anything, that's perfectly fine. That's not what we are looking for. And if you do, and you are trying to reach your spiritual nature, then you have to learn to leave it aside. And that is something that is present in all traditions, in Christianity, in Buddhism, in Hinduism, in different schools. Some other schools encourage this. But there is always this idea, you know, in the Heart Sutra, which is a Mahayana Buddhist sutra, there is this mantra, Gate Gate Paragate Parasamgate Bodhi Swaha, which means go beyond, go even beyond until you reach enlightenment. In the sense of, don't stay stuck on any of these levels. You may get stuck, you do a meditation and you feel so well and you stay there. You never try to go beyond. For you it's enough just to feel well. Well, that's fine. But if you are serious about developing your spiritual nature, you have to go beyond. You cannot get attached to those things. Then you may see things or you may hear, or again, don't get stuck there. Go beyond, always beyond, until you reach enlightenment in the sense of knowing what you really are. Because only then you will know how to live and you will be free from sorrow and from all the problems that we have as humanity. So that is more or less the idea with this approach. We don't try to stop. We do this, we go through these different stages and try to plunge into the silence so that we go beyond all senses, physical or psychic. And of course, this may take years or it may take lifetimes. It doesn't matter. Even if you start meditating with the right intention, you are already developing your spirituality. The benefits of spirituality are not reaped at the end. You reap the benefits of spirituality every second. So you don't need to think, oh, unless I can get to contemplation or to enlightenment, this is useless. No, even if you are struggling to concentrate your mind, if you are going in the right direction, that will produce a change in yourself and in your life and help you live the life in a better way. So this is more or less what I wanted to share with you. As I said, during the retreat, we are going to practice different techniques. We are going to explore also a little more about the different aspects of our nature and how we can work with them, with our physical body, with our emotional nature, with our mind, and how we can develop our spiritual nature. And we will have also some activities outside if the weather permits it. So if you have time and if you can participate, I think it will be a very, very good experience. So is there any question or comment, whatever you have to say? I like to discuss these things, and if you don't agree on something, we can examine it, because this is not a question of authority. I'm no authority. I'm just sharing with you part of my studies, my experience, but is in the Theosophical Society we try to encourage a real, exploration of all these things, and we all may see some things different. So please share your comments or questions if you have any.
And please wait for the microphone that I can bring to you if you have a question. First question.
Hi, Paulo. I come from a Christian background, and we talk about prayer as talking to God, and meditation is listening to God. And I just want to make sure, like the 15 or 20 or 30 minutes of meditation, that the actual practice, is the goal eventually to have this type of meditative attitude for the whole, as much time as you can, 24 hours worth, or rather than just the half hours?
Yeah. First, regarding the time, we can start even by 5 minutes. We don't need to start with 20 minutes or half an hour, although I guess in the West, most practitioners, there was a monk that said 20 minutes is like the Western standard time of meditation. For some reason, we talk about 20 minutes of meditation. But you can start with, what is important is a state of your mind. If you sit down and you can have an awakened state of mind during 5 minutes, and then you are kind of asleep during 15 minutes, but you just stay there to complete the 20 minutes, it doesn't make any sense. So if you can be, in a good state of mind during 5 minutes, that's good enough. Actually, some techniques or some schools, they don't let people meditate for more than 10 minutes. Even if you were in a very deep state, they will, get you back to your senses, walk around and sit again every 10 minutes, so that we really don't enter in this state of slumbering. So the idea is that just with 3 minutes, 5 minutes, start doing it, and then the practice itself will extend as your mind gets more accustomed to that. So don't use time as a measurement of how good the meditation is or not. Now, suppose you meditate whatever time, it is always important what you do during your day. We are going to talk about that during the retreat, but one of the reasons why many people have a really hard time meditating is because the mind that sits to meditate is the same mind that is out there during the day. And if we are constantly running after objects of the senses, when we sit to meditate, our mind will do the same. It's not something that you can turn on and off. So during our daily life, we have to start living in a way that is in tune with the practice of meditation. So your life sets a foundation for the practice of meditation, and the meditation sets a foundation for the practice of your daily living. So the teaching is always that your daily life is an extension of your meditation. Of course, at the beginning, it will be very difficult. I mean, most of us at the beginning, we sit there for 5 minutes, we go into the world and are more or less the same. But if we are earnest, little by little, these things begin to come together, and the meditation will affect our lives and vice versa. But it is very important to keep it in mind. It's not just like going to church on Sunday and then do whatever, that many people do also. It is, if you meditate, try to have a life that is in accordance to your aim, to the reason why you are meditating. And then your practice will really deepen.